What's up mga ka-trends? Here's another update of the NY couple. Yesterday, on recess activity or sa spear band, was finally in Thailand. Recess spear band posted on Instagram a short video clip that she is on her way back on taping. She also posted on Instagram her beautiful photos that she wears a white dress. After the 3 days vacation in Maldives, their vacation was full of magical and a lot of experience and happiness. Says Pirban captioned it, "Take me back," which means that she missed it. 'Yesterday, Nadek Gimia got released his video clip after he's on the game last day. On Instagram post, Nadek and friends was so happy in the game. Nadek was with Alex Randall, Antong, and Suti Hanui. Two days ago, Nadek Gimia was having an event in Daikin. Nadek was so happy that it was very successful with the help of the staff, especially to all of his fans. Nadek Gimia promotes Daikin as the number one air freshener in Thailand. Nadek Gimia wants everyone to try it.